What's up guys, today I'm back with my new video, and this video I'm going to show you how to fix the error that we face in Play Store while downloading Pubg. Because many times for some users the whole game would be downloaded and then it would give some error and we have to download it again. So best way to avoid this is to go to Google Chrome. In search box type APK Pure, then click on the first option apkpure.com, or simply press this APK Pure app. Now this will be of 11.7 MB. Click on it and download it, and then open the app. I have already downloaded it. Open it, make Christmas. Now you can see it's working, and then go to store or press the search button and type PUBG Mobile, and then this would be the APK and it is updated one, so you can trust it. And then click on install here. I have already installed it, so it's showing open. So that's all you can do guys to avoid that mistake that we done on Play Store and we get error and we had wasted 1.7 GB data. So thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, please smash the like button and click on subscribe button and share this video to your friends. So goodbye.